your Appium and then click on the Start Inspector Session icon. Switch to Saved Capabilities tab, choose the Android and then click on Start Session. You can see the Android emulator launch the WordPress application and then a screenshot of it is shown over here. It's the same steps again. You click on the button which you want to find to which you plan to get the locator IDs, and then just copy the locator values shown on the right side and use it in your test script. So here you can see the value is ID, but in iOS it was accessibility ID. So this login button is the ID value and this is the XPath, and you have an option to find the element by text too. You can also make use of class. There is also an extra field called content description, which is also useful at times, but in this case it's the value is blank. So we can try to find the ID for this input field, and you can see it's just given as input. This might cause some trouble, I think so. Let me fill in the values and go to the next screen where we have two text fields and see how good this application is designed, or how good the values are set actually. Yeah, in this screen we just have one text field and the other one is non-editable, so we don't have a problem over here. But you can see the values again input, which is not a good measure, but what they could have said is like password text or password input field or something like that. A different name would have made a difference here, but we are good to go, I think so. In the next video we'll see how to install PyEnv and virtual environment setup, and then link all those things to our PyCharm and start writing test scripts.